Well, Hunter Pence is at it again. A 4-hit game today, 462 for the series. The unorthodox outfielder is productive. Gives us a chance to revisit this tongue-in-cheek lost scouting report. Thanks to SBNation.com. Grant Brisbee from McCovey Chronicles. Physical description: gangly, runs like a rotary telephone thrown into a running clothes dryer, throws like a man throwing a bookcase uphill, swings a bat like his elbows are stapled to his knees and his underwear is pulled over his head, stares at you when you aren't looking. Strength: he actually does everything quite well. And that sums up Hunter Pence tongue-in-cheek lost scouting report. Just watching him warm up in the outfield.
Yeah.
I've never seen anybody throw a baseball like that at this level.
No.
Maybe Little League and, seven-year-olds.
He said he hurt his arm as a kid. And after hurting his arm as a kid, he couldn't throw the baseball conventionally. And he adapted and overcame. And, guys, that's the way he throws. Even when he's playing catch with his kids in the backyard, tries to throw one conventionally, the arm hurts.